Hello, my name is Alex. Over the past period, we have been working hard on improvements to the Calex Smart app, and we are happy to announce that we have improved the process for adding new devices and added the radar inclusion mode for this purpose. This radar automatically searches for new devices that are in inclusion mode. This will make it even easier to add new devices to your Calex Smart app. In this video, I explain how to use this. Open your Calex Smart app. Then choose the plus icon at the top right of the screen, and then select the Add Device option from the list. The Calex Smart app will now search for devices that are in inclusion mode. The found devices are displayed in this screen. Then click on one of the found devices. After this, all found devices are automatically added to your Calex Smart app. This process may take some time. When all the devices have been added, select Completed at the bottom of the screen and you're all set. I hope with this video I was able to give you more clarity on how to use the radar inclusion mode in your Calex Smart app. Hope to see you back at the next instructional video.